Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special cowpeas curry. The recipe is a quick one and can be served along with rice, roti or chapati. We add small quantity of ghee to enhance the taste of the curry. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 250 grams of washed and soaked cowpeas. We have soaked for 8 hours overnight. Add enough water just to sink the cowpeas. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame for 1 whistle. Then on low flame for 2 whistles. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Our cowpeas have cooked well. Keep it for later use. In a pan, take 1.5 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Wait until it splutters. Now add 1 chopped onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 dry red chilies and some curry leaves. Mix it well and cook for 1 minute. We can add tomato paste of 2 tomatoes. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now we are going to add the masalas. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well for 1 minute. Now add the cooked cowpeas and mix well. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Add half cup of water. Stir it well. Boil for 5 minutes on high flame. Finally, add 1 teaspoon ghee and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Now switch off the flame. Our tasty cowpeas curry is ready. Try this tasty cowpeas curry at home. You can have it along with rice, roti or chapati. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.